Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add multi-language audio tracks to YouTube videos. Let's get started. First, go to your browser and search youtube.com. And after that, go to YouTube Studio on your computer. From the left menu, click Content, then select the video you want to edit. And after that, click the subtitles tab at the left, then switch to audio section. You'll see an option upload additional audio tracks. This is where you can add voiceovers in other languages. And after that, click add audio track, choose the language, and upload your MP3 or WAV file with the translated voiceover. Once it's uploaded, click save. Viewers can now switch languages while watching your video. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.